This Amazon driver saved this dog's life. See, for the last 3 weeks, this driver had been dropping off packages to the same family. Every time he came to the house, the dog always waited by the door in joy, jumping up and licking the driver. The driver always petted him back, but one day, a wild mountain lion grabbed the dog and left it in critical condition. These poor kids saw it, but they were too scared to help. But with a miracle, the Amazon driver came back because he dropped the wrong package off and found the dog in critical condition. He told the homeowners and rushed the dog to the vet. The dog was close to passing, and the doctors didn't think he'd survive. Amazingly, the dog pushed though and survived. Everyone is joy.